Hello, this video will be demonstrating the Icelandic Bind Off. It is the bind off that I use to go with my slipknot cast on. It is an almost invisible bind off for a garter ending to your work. Here is a small swatch we've done with garter at the bottom, and we have garter at the top. And now we will work the Icelandic bind off. So to start, this is stitch 1, that's stitch 2. We're going to take our needle and we're going to insert it purlwise into stitch 1 and knit stitch 2. But make sure to grab that loop out of the first stitch. And then we are going to slip the stitch back on purlwise. Again, that is insert the needle knitwise into the second stitch and make sure you pull it out. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then knit that stitch, slide off, and put the completed stitch back on the left needle. Again, it's insert the needle knitwise into the second stitch, and instead of going straight back, you want to make sure you come out of that first stitch. Knit it, and then you slide the 2 off. One final time, it is slip the stitch on purlwise, insert your needle into the second stitch knitwise, make sure you are out of that first stitch, knit the stitch, slide them both off. And here we have the completed Icelandic bind off. As you can see, it blends in great with garter stitch. It's invisible from the edge of the bind off, from the front of the bind off, and even when we flip it over to the back, it's hard to distinguish the bind off from the rows of garter stitch. As I said earlier, it's a perfect match for the slipknot cast on. And both the cast on and bind off give you stretchy edges for your work, so you won't lose any elasticity in your project. And that's the Icelandic bind off.